Hey gang, RV Jerry here, and I'm doing a repair on a window. Got these little goodies are broken off on the window, and this little goodie doesn't work inside here, so I'm taking these things off. And I found a really neat way to get these things off. Okay, I got that cut loose. The inside of that cut loose and it came right off of there. Now I'm going to drill those inner pieces off on the inside there. These rivets right here. My head's in the way, but that's just aluminum, so it should come right off of there. Had to cut the rivets on this side to get this bar up, so up and out. Now this little piece should come out. There it is. Okay, got this stuff online. New one, old one. New one, old one. New one, old one. I got a rivet gun in there. I'm going to get it out and put this thing together. That should go right in there. Okay, I'm going to rivet these from the inside. So. Okay, gang, put this rod back in here. Okay, there it is, gang. I got the right pieces, and now the window goes up and down. Turn that knob from the inside there. Okay. That's the window fix. You can fix those windows, so if you have one that isn't working, just get your part, try to match it online best you can, or if you have a favorite dealer, go to your dealer and see if they got one hanging on the wall. Thanks for watching.